आता खबरो विस्तारान. म्हादय न्हंयेच्या पिवपाच्या उदकाच्या प्रश्नार मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान कर्नाटकाचे भाजप नेते येडियुरप्पाजी हांकां जाप दिली. गोंय सरकार ह्या प्रस्तावार विचार करपा खातीर इच्छा व्यक्त करता. पिवपी उदकाच्या प्रश्नार द्विपक्षीय पातळीर चर्चा करपाची गरज आसा म्हण मुखेलमंत्र्यान ह्या पत्रांत बरयला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान निलेश परवार.
पयलीं म्हणजे सगळ्यांक वयर विथआउट प्रिजुडायस बरयल्या. म्हणजे कोर्टान कितें आहा तें हातून लागना तें तकलेन धरूनच. आय बीन रिसिप्ट ऑफ युअर लेटर डेटेड 28th pertaining to utilization of 7.56 TMC of water from Mhadei river for drinking water needs of drought prone areas of North Karnataka. You are well aware of the matter pending before Honorable Mhadei Water Dispute Tribunal. Issue of drinking water, although is one of the issues pending before the tribunal, in principle the state of Goa would not oppose the reasonable and justified quantum of water meant to be utilized for drinking. However, the same needs to be discussed bilaterally as suggested by Honorable Tribunal. Government of Goa understands that access to drinking water is a basic human need. Hence, it is to confirm it to you that on humanitarian ground, Government of Goa is willing to consider the request to work out an amicable settlement strictly restricted to drinking water only to the drought-prone area. It is needless to mention that the discussion shall be without prejudice to our right and contentions before the Honorable Tribunal, none of which are even touched by this letter. I appreciate your concern over drinking water issue of the people and assure you to extend the best possible cooperation in the matter. In short, 2002 हांवें स्टँड घेतलो की पिवपाचें उदक जर जाय आसत जाल्यार प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट करून हें उदक आमी कन्सिडर करूंक शकता पिवपाच्या खातीर, पण नॉट इन द वे दे आर ट्रायिंग टू डू.